Chrome browser is one of the most widely and one of the most popular browsers you can find right away on the internet. But there's particular features you need to turn off now if you discover that your Chrome browser lagging, suddenly shuts down, or sometimes misbehaving. So this particular feature will help you to solve that issue. To do that is very simple. Click on this three dot here, then scroll down to settings. You click on settings. When you click on the settings at this side, scroll down until you have access to this button that's called system. Click on it. Once you click on system, then at the main page here, there's a button that says use graphic acceleration when available. So if there is graphic acceleration on your device and this button is turned on, as you can see, that is why your Chrome browser is lagging. That is why your Chrome browser is freezing. That is why your Chrome browser is shutting down while using it. So to prevent that from happening, click on this button. Once you click on it, then you have this information that comes up immediately. You click on this button, relaunch. Once you click on this relaunch, then your Chrome browser will go and restart again. Then the effect you've just set will available. So now each time you use your Chrome browser, it will not freezing or frozen. Then your Chrome browser will work perfectly, and any other thing that has to do with your Chrome browser will be in good order. That's all, guys, on how to prevent Chrome browser lagging or freezing on your laptop. If you hear this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.